This is how I made my trading robot from scratch using only ChatGPT and Meta Editor 5. Let's get down to business. First, you need to open Chrome. I was using Chrome as my browser. Then you need to search ChatGPT. And I'm guessing most of you have a ChatGPT account. I'm guessing most of you have a ChatGPT account all set already because it's very useful. Enter. Then you need to click ChatGPT, create an account, and log in. I already have an account, so I'm not gonna go through the logging in process. Now, I have named my ChatGPT to Kaido. I am a One Piece fan, so yeah, there we go. It called me Thanos. Hey Thanos, what's up? Did you want to chat about something in particular? Yes, I want you to help me create a trading robot using MQL5. Let's go. Enter. There we go. Okay, it's telling me what's needed, so on and so on. Okay, can I give you specifications for the trading robot slash EA expert advisor. Okay, it's getting ready. Of course, feel free to share the specifications you have in mind for your trading robot EA, and I'll do my best to help you bring them to life. Let me know what specific trading strategy, indicators, risk management rules, or any other criteria you want the robot to follow, and we can work on creating a plan to implement them in MQL5. Okay, we are going to create a simple robot whereby it tells us whether the previous candle close is bearish or bullish, and it updates every time. Okay, I'm going to be like, I want you to make an EA expert advisor that I like to click enter so I can edit longer. That one checks the previous candle close to comments the previous candle close, and then three updates the previous candle close, those consistently consistently. Then we save and submit. Okay, here we go. It's giving us the code now. This should be very simple. This is only a tutorial where I'm showing you how to use ChatGPT to create a robot. You have your own strategy and your own specifications that you are going to make, and you're going to come to ChatGPT and do this. Okay, here's the code. What you do is you copy the code here, right? Then you go and open up your MetaTrader. Then look for IDE at the top. Here's IDE here. click the IDE. As you can see, I have other trading robots here that I made specifically for boom and crash. Then you are going to look for new at the top left. New, click new, select expert advisor. Next, name your expert. Testing. Let me just say test. Other link is not really important. Next. My PC is a bit slow. Next. Okay, there we go. I will click this. Then there we go. You have this here where you need to paste your code. First, press Control A and press Control A space to remove everything. Then Control V to paste the code that you copied from ChatGPT. Then you want to compile the code to know whether it has errors or not. Compile. It has a few errors. How many? I think 6 errors. Control, press and hold Control. As you press and hold Control, click these errors. Then Alt and Tab to switch back to your Chrome. Then paste the problems here. Type fix problems. Fix problems. Paste, which is Control V again here. You will paste the issues that you copied. Yo, we didn't copy those issues, so let's go back. Copy, go back, paste, then enter. It's going to try and fix these errors. You see, apologies for the oversight. Let's go. And then you go up there and copy the code again. Alt tab out, and then Control A, Control V. You pasted the new code. Let's see if it has errors, still has the same errors. We go back to ChatGPT and be like, use, or click where the message, click. Yep, use an alternative to solve the issue. Sometimes it's the coding language. It uses MQL4, but we specify that we want to use MQL5. So it's fixing. Now let's copy this code and see if it's going to be fully functional. Back to, you know what to do, Control A, Control V, compile. There we go. Code generated. Took it 3011, okay, 3117 milliseconds. Now, after doing this, you need to click File on the top left near the 5, Save As. After saving as, there's supposed to be a window that pops up. My PC is slow. Okay, yeah. Then you need to click Expert, Advisors. Then you need to save it in here. Just save. After saving, we need to click this blue button right there. A strategy test is going to pop up so you can see your robot. When it pops up, I want you to press the space bar. When it pops, wait, then space bar. Okay, Control G. Look at the top corner. There's a previous candle close. We do not want the previous candle close. We want it to tell us whether the previous candle close is bullish or is bearish. Let's go back to ChatGPT. Okay, there we go. Then you click ChatGPT and be like, I want it to print whether the previous candle close is bullish or bearish, and then submit. It's going to give us the code. I hope you are clearly understanding this. And then copy the code, copy the code, copy the code, the code. Where are we going? Copy the code. Go back to your meta editor, Control A, Control V, stop the strategy tester here, compile the code. There is one problem. You click copy, go back to ChatGPT, then paste the error, or you can type fix and then paste the error or the issue or the problem. Let's wait. We just skipped a whole 4 years of learning MQL now. Go back, Control A, Control V, compile. Okay, it's running. Took it 663 seconds, milliseconds. And then, okay, it's jammed. Then the blue button again. The strategy tester. Okay, let's do. You know what to do? As it pops, you press the space bar, Control G, so you can see. Let's see if it's going to update whether the previous candlestick's close is bullish or bearish. Let's go. Play. We can only tell when there's a bearish candlestick. It will change. Focus here. Focus here where the mouse is, right there. Okay, it's jammed. I think it's the network. Oh, yeah. Let's go, let's go. Let's fast forward a bit. Focus. Bearish. What? Oh, yeah. Bullish. Bearish. It changes. You see. If you made it to the end of the video, please like and subscribe. Then if you want more tutorials about how to utilize this ChatGPT in order to create your own trading robot, please comment in the comment section so I can know, and I'll make another one more detailed, or I'll do a simple moving average strategy using ChatGPT so that you can see how to create your own strategies. Thank you. I'll see you on the next video.